we're here at the official attempt of Guinness World Record of the maximum unboxings done. It's quite a lot of people here. So there's a lot of background noise over here, but as you can see, there's a queue to purchase the devices, I guess, for the official world record attempt, and a lot of people lined up. A lot of good food. Now, what you can see over here, that's the actual venue where they're going to attempt, or probably they're going to do it. I'm being told that there's going to be a famous YouTuber as well, so that is where all the unboxing attempt world record will happen. Sorry for the background noise, because there's supposed to be a concert there and there's a lot of things that are going on right now. And I'm not buying the Oneplus 6T right now, but I'll be buying it maybe later. This event is shaping out to be one of the best events by Oneplus so far. The food is good, the organization is much better compared to the previous one. Let's stay tuned and let's see what else is going to happen.
Teardrops on the floor. The pain is over. Feel the darkness take control.
As you can see, a lot of Oneplus 6t's are lined up over here. Now, I cannot make out the number of devices that we have here. We don't have an official count. The number should be out once the world record is attempted. But as you can see over here, those are all the wonderful Oneplus 6t's. There's a screen over there. And that is what it is for. The official attempt to unbox maximum number of phones at one venue in one day at one location.
Written there, then you show them table number. फिर आप अपने टेबल नंबर पर जाएंगे और फिर तीसरा नंबर होगा आपका सीट नंबर. अगर आपको थोड़ी सी भी कंफ्यूजन होगी, डोंट वरी, बहुत सारे लोग हैं यहाँ आपकी मदद करने के लिए. So let's get started. Let's start moving in towards your gates A, B, C or D, and then to your tables. All right? I'll see you guys that side. आराम से जाइए. We can get disqualified from this attempt, so please, let's not do that.
Yeah. Can I have a show of hands? Yes? Okay. So I begin the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, begin.
Still blinded by the lights, so you can see what you do. Restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but in the dead of the night. Teardrops on the floor. The pain is over. Feel the darkness take control.
And the number we arrived at is 559, so congratulations.